Hello and welcome to the video, guys. In today's video we are going to talk about command prompt or command line interface and how on earth to navigate it. So just so you guys know, this is going to be a two-part video with the timestamps and everything like that in the description as well as in the video. And one part is going to be on Mac and the other part is going to be on Windows. We are starting out on Windows right now, so let's do this. So we are going to type it into the search bar right down here, command prompt, and we are going to open it. And we are going to make this full screen. So basically, welcome to the file system inside of your computer. So let's open the dir. The dir is one of the inputs that you can put into the file system to show you the directory of all of your files. Bam. So let's say that I want to go to Twitch, which is one of the last things. I would do CD, and I would press tab. Why did I just press tab? Well, that's because it autocompletes it because the computer recognizes it from the directory. So, here's my friend's Twitch. Let's see what is in his Twitch by opening up dir, directory. That's a lot of Minecraft. Alrighty, so, Minecraft. Let's open up the Minecraft dir. So we are going to do cd min, and then it auto-completes it. And then we're going to open up the dir. And then, bam! That is as simple as it possibly gets. You can navigate with your arrow keys on your computer or keyboard up and down from the last prompts that you put into the computer. And yeah, so let's say that you accidentally click into a file system that you don't want to be in. What you would do is you would do cd space ... That puts you back on the beginning of where you came from. Alrighty, so let's go through all of this all over again. So we're gonna close out. Alrighty, so as I said previously, we are going to do this all from the beginning and do one more walkthrough. So, go down to the search bar, do search command prompt. We're gonna open it, and we are going to make it full screen. Yet again, this is the most basic form of your file system on your computer. Directory of said file system, and we are going to go to music. Let's see what my friend's music tastes are. CD space MU, press tab, auto-completes it, enter. We go into his music, we search out the directory, and let's say that we want to go into CD space ... Bam! And then we are shown the directory of such. And if you ever want to start over, you do cd space ... Bam! And then you go back to your original thing. I'm going to be teaching you guys how to navigate command line interface on your Mac. So here we go. It's not called the same thing on Mac as it is on Windows. It is called terminal on Mac, and it is called command prompt on Windows. So I'm just gonna click on that. You can click on it or press the enter button. And we're gonna expand this buddy right there, and I'm going to be typing in clear. Basically, they're most of the same. Some of the commands are the exact same for both Windows and for Mac, but we're just gonna go into what is different. So ls space -al is your friend. That is going to be your directory, and also there's no tab auto-completing it feature on Mac. So your life is a little bit harder because you have to type everything out. So ls space -al is your friend, and you still have the cd space everything, and you can still go up and down with your arrow keys for everything. So Mac is a little bit different, but it still has the same principles that we already discussed in the Windows thing. I'm just going to clear all of this and tell you guys to have a great rest of your day and, you know, come back and watch another video if you get stuck on another thing during class or just need a little bit of help. We are going to go to bash history this time. CD space BASH. I cannot type. Underscore bash history. Alright. CD bash history. It could not find that file. You people are so annoying. Alin, stop wearing your sister's thing. What's the thing called? What's it called? When you enter something in? No, what's it called when you enter something in? And it's like, you know, you're entering it in on the thing. A prompt? It's not a prompt. Like, if you enter in clear on...
Command.
Oh, command.